Apple just launched a MacBook that isn't an Air and isn't a Pro. It's called the MacBook Neo, and it breaks Apple's own rulebook. No M-series chip, no Pro branding, just one wild number, 18 Pro. Yes, the same chip family that powers the iPhone 16 Pro. Apple just put an iPhone chip inside a laptop. And before you roll your eyes, this changes everything about entry level. Because this isn't some cheap plastic toy for Apple to dump on schools. It's aluminum, it's colorful, and it might be the smartest Mac Apple's ever built. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly who this laptop was built for and who should stay far, far away. Let's start with the one thing nobody expected Apple to do. They didn't cut corners. They cut the price. MacBook Neo starts at a price that makes the MacBook Air look expensive. And it comes in 4 colors that actually feel fun again. Silver, blush, citrus, indigo. Each with a color-matched keyboard, because Apple knows details sell laptops. The body's still full aluminum, still durable, still unmistakably Mac. You get a full-size Magic Keyboard, precise, quiet, comfortable for hours. And a trackpad big enough to actually enjoy using. There's even a Touch ID option, so unlocking is one tap away. 2 USB-C ports and a headphone jack keep things simple. No dongle drawer required. Well, mostly.
This is Apple, designing for people who just want it to work. But here's where it gets interesting. The chip inside is stranger than you think. The A18 Pro isn't a laptop chip. It's an iPhone chip. 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, built on a 3nm process. On paper, that sounds small for a computer, but in real use, it flies through everyday tasks without breaking a sweat. Web browsing, spreadsheets, video calls, even light photo editing, smooth. It's basically borrowing iPhone-level efficiency and putting it behind a real keyboard. That means better battery life and almost zero fan noise, because there is no fan. Yes, the MacBook Neo is completely silent, even under load. It also runs Apple Intelligence natively, so on-device AI just works. Summarizing notes, rewriting emails, generating images, all without sending your data anywhere. This is Apple quietly proving that good enough can still feel premium. But don't get too excited yet. There's one number that might change your mind. The base model ships with just 8 GB of unified memory. For light users, that's fine. For power users, you'll feel it fast. Heavy multitasking, dozens of Chrome tabs, big exports, this isn't the machine for that. But if you're a student, a writer, or someone who just needs a reliable laptop, keep watching. Because the display alone might win you over. A 13-inch liquid retina screen, 500 nits of brightness, a billion colors. Text looks razor sharp. Photos genuinely pop. The camera's a solid 1080p FaceTime HD, great for calls and classes. Dual microphones isolate your voice, so background noise fades away. And the side-firing speakers support spatial audio with Dolby Atmos. For a laptop this size, that's genuinely impressive sound. And then there's the number that ties it all together. Battery life that actually holds up. Apple's claiming up to 16 hours of battery life. That's an entire school day or a full work day on a single charge. So who is this actually built for? Students who need something light, colorful, and reliable. Parents buying a first real laptop for their kid. Anyone who wants Apple's ecosystem without paying Apple's usual price. iPhone mirroring, messages, FaceTime, it all just connects instantly. If you're a video editor or heavy multitasker though, this isn't your machine. That's still MacBook Air or Pro territory. But for everyday use, MacBook Neo might be the smartest Mac Apple's released in years. It's proof that affordable Apple doesn't have to mean compromised Apple. So, would you actually consider this over a MacBook Air? Honestly, I think Apple just created a new category, and I don't think it's the last we'll see of it. If this breakdown helped you understand the MacBook Neo, that's really all I'm after here. If you found it useful, a like genuinely helps this channel more than you'd think. And if you want more breakdowns like this, sticking around helps too. No pressure though. Thanks for watching.